Here we go again. I'm glad this flag was here. I was starting to not believe it. See my pin? There's my pin. Just a couple inches down. Mechanics now. Why can't all the property pins just be right there, right under the grass, right on the top of the ground, easy as can be? But no. At least two out of the 4 in this yard were like that, right under the grass. Nice. Got a walk gate going right there. Here's what we got in the ground before lunch. Yeah, getting in the ground.
Here's the Finnegan pour. Finnegan pour.
The Finnegan concrete pour. Ah, it's all over the edges. Look at it. Yeah, no, it's good. See? Yeah. Come back here right after lunch. Actually, right after lunch, we'll be right over here setting these posts down that side. Then we just got this back run to dig and set. That other side I showed you where our walk gate's going. I know. And then over here is where we're squeezing in a little double drive gate. Right there. But that's about it for just a moment. It's time to go to lunch. What was I about to show? Oh yeah. Now I remember what I was going to show you guys. Let me run over here and open up the door to the trailer while we was waiting around for our delivery and a plot plan so we can come to the corner. And the boss man said, "Why don't you clean out that nasty trailer?" Look at it. Ooh, you can even find stuff mostly. Yeah. It's windy out here. It's trying to blow me into the trailer. We got her all swept down and not so disgusting looking, and Charlie fence. Now it's time for lunch. Sharing a ride or out on the boat a little too late. You see the park here closes at sunset, and then I would go out on a limb here and say that somebody was out on their boat or whatever. They were still inside the park when they closed the gates on them. And then Buddy said, I drive a truck. You're not going to lock me inside your park. I don't blame the people for closing the gate. I mean, the park was closed. But yeah, that's clearly what went down there. That is pretty awesome. That is a fence repair if I ever dead sont of fence repair.
Dude, no kidding.
Just look onto it. I feel like we should leave card. Charlie Fence. Call Charlie Fence.
We'll fix it.
Out the back window. Yeah, yeah, somebody was definitely in here, and then they closed the gates on them, and then they weren't in here no more.
Nope. I said we leave.
Look at the ripples, guys. You know, we've had a lot of rain recently. See, that river's up really high. I'll take you down there to it in just a second. You see all this woodland up here? Get out here where you can get your eyes onto it. Can you see the top of the tree? Yeah, I think it's right there, right behind that post. See that treetop? That came from over there. And I think that means that river water was way. See all this, how it looks all wet not long ago and rippled up like a riverbank. That water was way up here and it was kicking. And y'all remember I just showed you a second ago up there where somebody blew the gate open? Look at the peel outs. Look at the peel out burnout marks. They got a running start. This is where they started. Meow. They hit that gate down there 100 miles an hour. Probably.
You avoided your turtle. Mr. Turtle is safe.
Save the turtles. All wrapped up for the day over here. Be back on Monday to run all the rails and nail all the pickets and open up the 2 gates. Here's what we look like on the walk around. Look at this run of fence on top of the post. Look at them. You see how the ones back there, they just rise fence posts. See, they're back of their yard. They got some kind of drainage ditch type situation going on back here. So you see how the backyard curves on uphill? Just like my fence post. Hitting the curve. And they come on around. They owe our customers some grass back here. Yeah, they do. A little short on the grass back here. Hey, that's my stick. I need that. I always need my stick. Here's that back run. That grass line looks really funny compared to the straight property line, doesn't it? They'll be back in a little while to fill them back in, finish them out. Now we're coming down the other side, and here's our walk gate over here on this front. Post after post after post. Is it posted? You guys on the Facebook all the time, is this how you make a post? Is this how you post it? I may be doing it wrong. Hiding the AC unit and all the utility words. People don't like seeing those. Here's what it looks like on the way out. That's going to be a nice fenced-in yard. These people are sure excited about it. They got 2 little dogs that can't wait to be let out in the backyard to roam free. Ooh. Remember how I told y'all before, as fast as we can build them, they're moving in. Those are movers, like a cow. Hey, look, it's a plug. Well, that about wraps it up out here. Here's that other side. Double drive gate will be by Monday afternoon. That back line looks crazy how high the back line of the yard pops up. But it's a nice smooth curve. Now we're all wrapped up, and ready to go home. Enjoy the weekend. That about concludes this up over here. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later.